Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to organize your browser tabs using OneTab Chrome extension. So first you're gonna search on this 3 points. You're gonna click on it and go to extensions and then visit Chrome Web Store. Then here you're gonna search for OneTab and this is the application, the extension we're looking for. You're gonna click on it and then here you're gonna add to Chrome and then accept, and this extension will be downloaded. Then you're gonna click on here and pin this tab and you will have OneTab. So then you're gonna search for some things, open many tabs, and when you have the tabs you want, you're gonna click on here and these all tabs will be converted into one tab. You can also click on more and name this tab, change the name of this tab. And you can also click on more and then lock this tab, so this will never be deleted. Then you can also drag tabs from another tabs to the one you want, from another groups to the one you want. So you're gonna long press it and drag it where you want. You can also in here click on restore all and all the tabs will be open when you want to work with them, and it will also pin a tab in here which is one tab, so you can open it whenever you want. Also you can go to options and change things as you want, like this one, which is the pin tabs. They won't be sent as one tab, they won't be in a group. Like if you go to YouTube as an example and you click on here, you can pin this tab and it will be pinned. These tabs, when you click on here, they won't be pinned into one tab. So you can go to options, change this and allow, and then applications like YouTube, which are pinned, you can click on here and they will be down here in your group. In here you can also go to options and then scroll down, and you can change this, because when you click on any tab and you click on restore all and you haven't locked it, the group, this will open a new window, but it will be removed from one tab. So to prevent this, you're gonna go to options and then keep them in your one tab list. So when you click on restore any tab, any group, they won't be deleted from here. Also, you can click on more and then start this tab, and it will be like in the first, in the top of the screen. Every tab you want to start, and it will be on the top of the screen. You can also share these two tabs by clicking on more and then copy links to clipboard, and you will be able to paste them in the page, in the group you want, or send it to the person you want. So this is how you can organize your browser tabs using OneTab extension.